What's up? Welcome to Alvin's Code Review. My name is Alvin Chung from Melbourne, Australia, and in this episode, we're going to learn how to use some hotkeys on your keyboard, learn how to fork code from AlvinCodeReview on Replit, and also do a little challenge. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, this is a standard keyboard, and we're going to learn how to use some hotkeys. So the first one is copy. And what you want to do is highlight the piece of code you want to copy and hold Control and then press C. Now the next hotkey is paste. And what you want to do is go to a new line or wherever you want to use the piece of code you just copied and hold Control and then press V. Now the next hotkey is used to indent. Now what you want to do is highlight the piece of code you want to indent and then press Tab. Now the next one is unindent. So where you shift back the code you don't want to indent. So what you want to do is highlight some indented code and then hold Shift and then press Tab. Now the next hotkey is to comment. Now what you want to do is highlight the piece of code you want to comment and hold Control and then press /. Now you can do this process again to uncomment a comment. So you can press or hold Control and then press / to uncomment a comment. Now that we've learned some hotkeys, we can learn how to fork some code on Replit. Now, what you want to do is go to this link. The link is in the description in episode 1. So replit.com/AlvinCodeReview/episode-1, and you should see this page. And what you want to do is press this button, fork, and you can see we get all the code from episode 1. We have this piece of code we did 4 times to make a square. We used a loop to draw a square. We used a loop to draw a square spiral. And we also have a summary of hotkeys I just told you about. Now, if we go to this link is in the description in episode 2. And if we click fork, we can see we get all the code from episode 2. We gave our turtle a shape, gave our turtle a color, and we could make it draw a blue square spiral, a blue hexagon, and a blue hexagon spiral. Now we can go to episode 3. This link is also in the description in episode 3. And if we click fork again, we can see we get all the code from episode 3. We have a colors list, a loop to make a hexagon spiral with random colors, and a loop to draw a square spiral with random colors. And we can also hold Control and / to uncomment code. And now what I want you to do is do this challenge. I want you to change this piece of code to make a triangle spiral. Congratulations, you have completed episode 4. We have learned how to use some hotkeys on the keyboard, learned how to fork some code on Replit, and I also gave you a little challenge. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in episode 5.